everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the reload page or couldn't reload feed error on Instagram. Often, the couldn't reload feed error is related to a poor internet connection. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If you are on a Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch to mobile data or vice versa. You can also run speed tests using any speed testing app or website to check if your connection is stable. If your connection is fine, but the feed still won't reload, try closing the Instagram app completely and reopening it. Swipe the app away from your recent apps list, then relaunch Instagram and check if the feed reloads. If restarting the app doesn't help, you may need to clear the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, then tap on Apps or Applications. Scroll through the list and find Instagram. Then tap on it. Next, go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary files that could be causing the issue. Once the cache is cleared, go back to Instagram and see if the feed loads properly. Next, reinstall Instagram. For iPhone users, or as a last resort, if clearing the cache doesn't work or you are on an iPhone, you can uninstall and reinstall Instagram to fix the issue. To uninstall the app, hold down the Instagram icon, tap Remove App, and then reinstall it from the App Store. After reinstalling, log back into your account and check if the issue is resolved. And finally, if all else fails, Instagram might be experiencing server issues. Head to Settings, Help, Report a problem, or use a website like Download Detector to check if Instagram is down. If Instagram servers are down, there is not much you can do, but wait until the issue is resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the reload page issue on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!